Hello, my name is Momin Khan. I am the founder and CEO of ProSensia. During my university time, I noticed a recurring issue. Facility managers running here and there to turn on and off ACs. This was the issue. However, students would often turn them back on, defeating the purpose. This created inefficiencies leading to increased electricity bills, equipment wear and tear, and unnecessarily downtime. In Pakistan, where resources are already scarce, this efficiency isn't just a financial problem, it's environmental too. Assigning workers to monitor every room 24/7 is neither practical nor cost effective solution. Additionally, overuse of ACs results in frequent breakdowns, high electricity bills, and reduced equipment lifespan. This is the problem we set out to solve. At ProSensia, we make HVAC system greener, more sustainable, and highly effective. Our solution includes building management capabilities that are capable with all the devices, remote control for centralized operations, real-time monitoring for energy consumption, automation based on schedule and occupancy. We have developed a web-based control panel that allows users to turn on and off the devices, real-time monitoring, import timetable for scheduling, receive real-time notifications, and many more.
All of this is connected through our hardware device, which is cost effective, durable, and reliable for up to 5 years. We generate revenue through device sales, subscription models for software and services, data analytics, and custom solutions. We currently have active deployments at Pfiest, where we have installed 20 devices covering over 312 ACs and 69 geysers. We are also exploring two business models. One-time purchase, users buy the panel and host it locally with break-even achieved 16 to 18 months. Second business model is subscription model. Users pay monthly for services, updates, and 24/7 issue resolution.
Our primary users include universities, malls, hospitals, airports, and factories. To put things into perspective, a single university like Park, Austria has over 300 units. In Pakistan alone, there are 10 to 50 million potential units, and globally, the number exceeds 8 billion and more. Our target audience spans B2B and B2G with massive growth opportunities. What sets us apart is to integrate timetable-based automation, offers custom solutions, and provide features like bill limits and role-based access. No other competitor offers this combination of efficiency and customization.
We have been recognized as incubated at NIC Islamabad, top 8 in Zindagi Prize, semi-finalist in GSEA, in Innovate 4.0, and also many more.
ProSensia aligns with multiple SDGs, including affordable energy, sustainable cities, and responsible consumption. We aim to save electricity bills for our client while contributing in a greener planet. I am Momin Khan, founder and CEO, leading development, planning, and operations. My co-founder Hamza Rashid manages device development and operations. Thank you so much for your time. If you are looking to save on electricity bills and make HVAC system more efficient, you can join us by scanning this QR code or join us directly. Together, we can build a sustainable planet. Thank you.